245 divided by 8. Here is 8 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 8. 8 times 0, 0, 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 8 times 3, 24, 8 times 4, 32, 8 times 5, 40, 8 times 6, 48, 8 times 7, 56. To find out the multiplication table of 8, just add 8 with the previous step. 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 8, 32, 32 plus 8, 40, 40 plus 8, 48, like this. So 8 goes into 2 how many times? 0 times s2 is less than 8, so 0 times 8, 0, subtract 2, bring down this 4. 8 goes into 24 how many times? 8 goes into 24 3 times, right? 3 times 8, 24, subtract, you are getting 0, bring down this 5. Then 0, 0, 5 means 5. 8 goes into 5 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 8, 0, subtract 5. So our answer is 0, 3, 0, remainder 5. This 0 don't have any value, so 30 remainder 5 is our answer. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then what will happen? Look, you need to convert this whole number into decimal number, taking a number of zeros with decimal after it. So bring down the first 0. So 50. 8 goes into 50 how many times? 7 times 56, which is greater. So 6 times. But before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. So here 6. 6 times 8, 48. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down the next 0. So 20. 8 goes into 20 how many times? 2 times 16. 2 times 8, 16. Now subtract, you are getting 4. 8. Now bring down the next 0. You are getting 40. 8 goes into 40 how many times? 5 times. Write 5. 5 times 8, 40. As our remainder is 0, so we are done. Our answer is 30.625.